Hello, welcome to my first California video. These took a very long time for me to finally get round to editing. So we flew from Gatwick Airport all the way to Los Angeles, and then we got a shuttle bus from the Los Angeles airport to the Great Wolf Lodge Hotel in Garden Grove, Anaheim, California. I genuinely had one of the best times of my life. You will have just seen my friend who went with me, Eden. They appear a few times in this video, but it's mostly me just being an idiot. I had a cheeky little retro cyber-inspired outfit for our flight. It's a very interesting travel later at Gatwick Airport. Promise you, it's really fun. There's Eden again. So then we touched down in LA. Yes, I took no photos on the plane. This was the most American thing I could have ever been greeted with, which was a Starbucks, a Krispy Kreme, and the American flag. We had to wait ages for our shuttle because this was the first issue we had with the shuttle company, but eventually we got to the Great Wolf Lodge. I was so excited to stay here. I filmed a TikTok. I filmed 2 TikToks. This entire corridor reminded me a little bit too much of like The Shining or something, but I really loved the carpets. Also keep the fact that I was wearing alien shoes and my pajamas. Excuse the most beautiful selfie you'll ever see, but I've never been so excited to be given a pair of wolf ears. Also, even the soap is themed. Like, this place never ceases to amaze me. Food-wise, I got a box of Dunkin'. This lasted most of the week, actually. I was quite impressed. A American Happy Meal. I really struggled to find vegetarian options. Really struggled. Fortunately, there was a vending machine. It was a little bit expensive, but I did try a lot of stuff in this. And yeah, that was me signing out for the night. I was in my bed, I think, ready to go. Well, thank you for watching the very quick first day. I promise there'll be more next time. Bye.